It was around 12 or 13 when I actually started to feel a little different from everybody else. It took me quite a while to really come to terms with who I was. Even though I knew what the term gay was, even though I said I accepted myself, I didn't really do so. It wasn't until I went through substance abuse, went through the foster care system, and I met people that really invested in me, that helped me to kind of come to terms with being a gay man. I really came to terms with it, I believe, after really hitting rock bottom and developing an addiction, specifically crystal meth. I lost a friend to addiction. I really had nowhere else to go. One of my mentors, because he was HIV positive, he was working in the field of healthcare and HIV testing. So then that drove me to also want to make a difference, and that's what got me into healthcare, which eventually led me to WGU. My first role in healthcare was in HIV testing. I started doing testing in the men's bathhouses. I would go there and test, get HIV positive people to know their status, and then link them to healthcare. I eventually started working with youth. A lot of the work that I did was in prevention, so dealing with youth that were high risk, youth that were in foster care. A sad story is I actually worked with some people that I grew up with, that I happened to see them in the streets. The help that I got drove me to want to help others. I realized that I couldn't move much further in terms of my career. There was a limitation. There was a lot of people that had the qualifications and had the degree. I had qualifications and experience, I just didn't have the degree. I needed to get my education. I chose WGU because I love their flexible model. I love the fact that it was online. You can go at your own pace. I always did well when I could do things on my own, and I learned better that way. Right now, I'm actually in the process of working with a nonprofit as part of my capstone. I help them to provide a roadmap to create LGBT services within their facility. Whether you can relate to the depth of my story or not, we've all had our struggles, but we have also seen the fruit of our hope and perseverance. I enrolled in WGU because I wanted to make a difference. I wanted to make a difference in someone's life as others have done for me. My advice to people that is out there that feels that things are getting tough, I would say, believe in hope and perseverance. Don't give up, keep trying, believe in yourself, and really believe in the people that believe in you. Because sometimes other people can see what you can't see in yourself at that point in time.